up, guys? Headed to the water right now. Early morning. Sun's not even up yet. Check it out. A little windier than I thought. But I got a buddy of mine joining me. Hopefully we can get on some flounder. We've been on this flounder run. So yeah, let's get on the water. Should get on the water like next 15 minutes. So once I get set up and situated, hopefully the next clip will be hooking on fish. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Alright, sorry I didn't catch it on tape, but I just threw a live shrimp out on the bottom, and I think it's a good red. I just got here too, like 15 minutes ago. Oh yeah, I think it's a good size red, boys. Yes! Yes! And we seen a whole bunch of these birds working. I mean, they're still working right now. So I just came over here and I just threw it out. So let me see what we can get. I think we got a good red. Yes. I got my buddy's over there. He's gonna be pissed. It may be a keeper. I think it. Let me get my net. Yeah, it's a keeper. Oh yeah. Alright. Okay, come on. Calm down, buddy. Calm down, buddy. You're okay. Yes. I think this is what was under those birds. Working. Yes. Alright. That's a great way to start a morning, man. Just a great way to start a morning. Get situated here. Gonna need that. Gonna need this. I don't need this. Alright. Hell yeah. Oh, my buddy's gonna be pissed. Come on. The perfect hook set too, like right on the corner of the mouth. Yes. Look at that. Alright. Beautiful red. It's got 3 dots. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yep. Let's see what we're looking at here. Get this switched around. Yeah, I just threw my line out, and I was gonna start working the bottom for flounder, and all of a sudden I seen my line just go limp, like it just like got loose. So I knew something picked it up and ran with it. Just shy of 23. Yes. Going home with Daddy today. Alright guys, that's one on the board. Let's do it again. Look, see, them birds are still working over there. So I know they're here. Yes. Alright, let's get back to it. What is this? It's rat red. Something was messing with it. Cool little guy. One spot. We'll get bigger. Let's get back out there, man. sucker here is missing an eye. Look at that. I love this. I love this. I always forget to get a new one when I'm at Academy. Well, hell. Let's see if they're still there. Let's go chase him. Got him. Sight casted that one because I seen it. Got him. Got him. Yes. Yes. Sight casted that one. Yes. That's what I think. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hell yeah, my first sight cast. My first sight cast. I seen them too. I think that's what those birds were working on. I seen them. I think there's another one over there too. Let me get this one off. Yes. I don't think it's legal, but it was fun doing it. Look at him. Pretty one. Skinny. Let's measure up just for good old sakes. Oh no, he's right at it. 20 and a half. Hell yeah. Yes. I got him. Hell yeah. Get him on the stringer too. Show you what I got him on too. My buddy just gave him to me this morning. So hell, let me try it. So using that with some shrimp cure or ProCure shrimp. This is it right here. There's a pack at. The pack's right here. Knocking tails. Get inhaled. Got a little rattler in there. Alright, let's go get it. Alright, a little update. I haven't caught nothing since that last red. This morning, it's just been slow, man. My buddy over there caught one flounder, and that was it. And no bites. We're fishing with lures, shrimp, you know, on the bottom, and then popping cork. I mean, you name it, we're probably doing it. But I don't know, just a slow day. I don't know what we're doing wrong, but we haven't got no bites at all, man. So we're gonna try a little bit longer, and then that's it. I'm gonna call it a day. So hopefully we get one more. I just need one more red for my limit. So we'll see. Hopefully, keep our fingers crossed.